Hey, it's Rich, your NY loan guy. Happy Friday. Right now, there is a proposal by the government to issue a first-time homebuyer tax credit in the amount of $25,000. Now, there's some restrictions to it. You have to be a first-generation first-time homebuyer, meaning neither one of your parents could have owned a home. So it's going to take some of the people out of that pool. But they tried to do this before 11 years ago, back in 2009, 2010, when they gave an $8,000 tax credit. And that didn't work out so well. And that's when we had an abundance of inventory. We don't have any inventory right now. What we need is not to incentivize buyers to go out, because what is a $25,000 tax credit going to do? They're going to want to use it because I'm sure there's going to be a limited time. And they're going to go out and they're going to bid on homes. And when they don't get it, they're going to then bid on another home and overbid to get it so that they can take advantage of that. That's not what we need. We need to be incentivizing home builders to build more inventory. If you want to throw money at it, throw money at the builder to build a home at 75, 80% of the median home price, and let's get some inventory out. So last time they did it, didn't work. I don't think this is such a hot idea, and we'll have to watch what happens. Next week, we get a lot of news, existing home sales and new home sales. So that's your update for today. Sometimes you just got to be willing to get your hands dirty. The magic and the shortcut is simple. It's doing the work. Your dream home is going to begin with a great location. Whether you're looking at Wainscott, Watermill, East Hampton, Southampton, or even Shelter Island,